Jotono lamsawo jenebo Smile TV channel. Today, 15 July 2021, TPF Central Women's Committee meeting was held at Telia Mora, Gairing Kirkham, TPF head office. TPF President and founder Ms. P.K. Jamatia were present in the meeting. TPF Women's Chief Secretary Chloe Jamatia also present in the meeting. They financial TPF Buri Bodol Rock Tebu TPF ni samung butang rock no every division wise khabai khukbai tangnai hngaibo kok salaijakha. They financial TPF Women's Rock Finai TPF ni kotor movement o Phan Baksa Yapri Baksa Senani Baguibo Kok Chablai Jakha Hambai Jotono TPF Long Live Tiprasa Long Live Women TPF Long Live Kebodi got makambai hamebai noni pando tibia ne machong so thai tong harumi chai nai tong ni Smile TV channel.